Oh, hey guys, it's throwing 18 wheelers. It they're throwing throwing lots of debris. 18 wheelers just crossed over I-20 northbound. There's lots of 18 wheelers. This is something I have never seen before. Can you update that? And zoom out. Sorry. Trying to figure out what it's following. That's right over 35 probably. Cross. It's on the east side now of that road. Well, we're on the south side of it. We are. Never mind. Remember that because we're going to have to go back and look at damage. Six, 35 and 45. God, this is coming right into Dallas.